Last week, and as usual, market was moving as expected for almost all the pairs, and I really hope most of you made money. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I really hope we are doing well and ready for today's video. As usual, I'll start with the XY dollar index, as you can see here, euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, and US30. Again, last week market was moving as expected. We expected dollar to fall after a corrective structure, and that's exactly what the market have done. I hope, guys, all of you trade this one, made money trading dollar to the downside. Our members, they were making a lot of money. I'll show you proofs shortly anyway. But in terms of the structure, in terms of the waves, in terms of the predictions, most of you know that we have high accuracy, and that's exactly what the market is doing on a weekly basis. So for this one, back to the charts, this is the XY. Again, I'll scroll, I'll zoom out to show you the daily structure, especially for those who are new. And by the way, guys, in case you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip, or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end to not miss anything, because I'll share with you some tips and some setups as well, so you can take advantage of it. Again, this is our YouTube channel here. As you can see, I'll come back to Discord shortly. This our YouTube channel, it's WeTradeWaves.com, and all our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. Okay, so for this one, this is where we share this, and again, all the links are in the description under this video. Back to the charts. For the XY, most of you know that we were biased to the downside, and we're expecting this one to fall more. And last week, again, I said to you guys, one more fall, one more drop, and that's exactly what the market have done. Back to the 4 hours, this is dollar index, by the way. Just for those who don't know, the XY is the dollar index. Last week I said to you guys, corrective structure and then another drop will be coming. Any proof for that? Of course, if I go back to this one here, this is actually the last video. By the way, guys, thanks a lot for all of you who are actually watching, liking, and commenting on a weekly basis. I'm reading every single comment myself, and I'll try my best again to reply to every single comment whenever I can. So for this one, the XY, this was actually the forecast, corrective structure, one more drop. You can consider this as before, and that's the after here. Mark gave us a corrective structure all the way up without breaking this top, and then we are falling again. If you traded this drop, guys, like our members, you must have made money, no question. Okay, so what's next for this one? I'm still expecting this, guys, to fall more. Again, all what you hear from us, guys, is I would say the high probability chance. We can be wrong. Do not follow us blindly. We have high accuracy, of course, and more than 80% of the times market move as predicted once we actually do the forecast. But for this one, again, what's next? Corrective structure, one more fall before the next structure. Okay, so in case you want to trade this move to the downside, you trade the drop right to the downside. Corrective structure, one more fall is what we are looking for. If you want to know what are the trades of the week, what are the trades of the month, this is what we covered during the Sunday session that is covered by T every Sunday for WTW Pro members. Guys, look at this one, just to show you this quickly before I jump to the next pair. This is actually the success story. This is our Discord community. This is our website. It's WeTradeWaves.com. You can scroll down to check actually the features in case you want to join us regarding this one. If I just zoom out a bit, so I can show you the features, all of them in one slide. So look at this one. This WTW Pro membership, guys, this is the only solution you need to become an independent, successful trader like our members. So for this one, this is all what you will get to once you join this one. You will get access to all of this from day one, of course. Basic course, Masterclass, of course, the access to Discord community, which is this one. All of it from day one, okay? So back to this one, just to show you one more thing. This is the dashboard that you will get access to. And these are the trades of the week shared by P on every Sunday session. Look at this one, pound dollar to the upside. Once we go to pound dollar, I show you market went as expected after a corrective structure. And the second one was New Zealand Swiss and CAD Swiss to the upside. All of them, guys, moved as expected, and they are in profits anyway. So on top of that, you will get again the access basic course, masterclass, monthly Q&A session as well. I have conducted this one last week. And again, the advanced part, the advanced stuff of We Trade Waves concept is covered in here. And you will get access to all these recordings again from day one. The last one was here, and I highly suggest you guys to go and watch this recording. It's very, very important for you guys to watch it, because we covered a lot of things, especially regarding psychology, regarding how to invest, and as well in what and what's next in terms of the setups, in terms of the high probability chances, and in terms of the opportunities as well. You don't have to miss this one, guys. If you are a WTW member, make sure to watch it. It's inside this one, monthly Q&A tab, okay? So back to the XY. For this one, again, I'm repeating, corrective structure, one more drop is what I can see next. The levels will be shared tomorrow by T during the Sunday session, and after that, we'll update you. Euro dollar for this one, exactly the same thing. We said to you guys, we are biased to the upside, and market gave us this up wave here, small corrective structure up. So if you trade this one, you must have made money. What's next? I'm still expecting this, guys, to go a bit higher. Again, remember, we are at the end of the month. So just like starting next month, starting actually a new month, usually market will be a bit choppy. So for this one, I'll say this is 50-50 probability chance. For me, I'll be looking only for the buy setups. If we get a corrective structure here, one push up, I'll be looking for the buy setups for euro dollar, guys, okay? In case market will go otherwise to the downside, you wait for this drop and then you go for the buy setups again. It's not it can go up or it can go down. Actually, we will be looking only for the buy setups. Just to let you know, we usually give you one bias, one direction. Why? Because we know how market moves and we are able to read the fractal nature of the market. Mastering wave analysis is always, I would say, it's only about mastering the wave analysis. I would say the mass psychology of all market participants. Because for this one, once you know the fractal nature of the market, you will unlock, guys, the code. You will crack the code. Because that's what our members are doing. Look at this one. I'll show you the success stories quickly. Look at this one. Back to the Discord community. This is the community actually you get access to once you join. We are actually posting charts here as coaches, seniors, moderators. Only actually we are posting charts here. And look at this one. Look at the detailed charts that you will actually see and you will get, right? As example, this one. And all the way up, we are posting charts as well ourselves, T and myself. So as example, this one, Aussie Swiss to the upside, Swiss yen to the downside, and of course with more sessions, live sessions from the seniors. Anyway, I want to show you the success stories of our members. Look at this. This is just like a few days ago. I'm showing you this one, guys, on a weekly basis just for you to see and know. Because one of the members, I would say, before he joined, he sent us an email like, guys, do you really actually, your members make money once they join? And if you are watching our YouTube video, go back and watch some of previous videos as well. You'll be able to see like how many success stories we do have. Plenty. So WW Army, they're actually killing it. They're making a lot of money. We're making a lot of money. And if we can do it, you can do it too. That's the main point. So it's actually about decision. Breaking bad habits, guys, is not about time. It's about decision. So do not waste more time and money. Do not lose another month. Invest in yourself. Again, I'm not pushing you to join. I'm pushing you to invest in yourself. If you want to join anyone else, go and do it, no problem. But if you are actually seeing the value of weighted waves, I highly suggest you to try us for 1 month. If you don't like, you can cancel anytime. But get that knowledge. Once you get it, at least you can actually have it and no one can take it from you. You get me? So for this one, again, this is from August 26th, just like what, 4 days ago? Look at this one. Abdel Nasir, 2K, fantastic Abdel Nasir. We are proud of you. You are doing a great job. Keep pushing. Raghunat, look at the sniper entries again of Raghunat. Fantastic, Raghunat. Very good job. All the way down, Abdel Nasir again, 7K in terms of withdrawals. All the way down, VJ is making a killing here. Fantastic, VJ. Again, we are proud of you. Make sure to withdraw the profits and enjoy it. Invest some, enjoy the rest, okay? So, again, in terms of weighted waves, guys, it's not about, we are not actually only teaching about trading. We are also teaching about investing and achieving financial freedom. And in case you don't know, guys, all of the tips regarding that are inside the monthly Q&A session. Once you join and watch the recording, you will understand the value of it. Because, again, trading is just part of the thing. So you make money from trading, you invest, you build your money-making machine, and you achieve financial freedom the soonest. We are at this level. We want you to be at this level as well with us. So if you want to level up, WTW Pro is the solution for you, okay? So VJ, fantastic, good job. Again, do not forget to take profits and enjoy, because you have to pay yourself first. If you don't do that, guys, making money alone, it will not make any sense. A lot of people, they have money, but they don't know how to enjoy it. You have to enjoy life, guys, okay? But it's not about spending all the money. You have to invest first, and then after that, you spend whatever you want to do, actually. You travel, you buy whatever you want to buy with the rest, but invest first. After you make money from trading, you invest, and then after that, you enjoy life, okay? That's the process, and that's actually what we are making inside Weighted Waves. That's what our members are doing. That's what we are doing as well. Abdel Nasir, fantastic. Very good job, Abdel Nasir. That was great. Mustafa as well. Very good job, Mustafa. Look at this one. Mustafa actually is doing good in this one as well. Fantastic. Let me like this one. Very good one. And again, yes, Bilal, again, actually we are doing, WW is making army of traders. 100% Dragonat, this is exactly what we are doing. And again, we are proud of every single member, and we want every single member to succeed and achieve financial freedom again the soonest. Back to the euro dollar. For this one, like I said, up is the move. If we get a corrective structure, I'm looking for the buy setups only. I'm repeating, guys, do not waste more time and do not waste more money. Do not lose another month. Pound dollar for this one, this was one of our trades of the week, and I explained during the monthly Q&A session how to make more than 5 to 1 in one single trade, and this moved to the upside. So this trade was given by T during the last Sunday session, as you can see here, to WTW Pro members. Look at this one. So trades of the week, this is the pound dollar to the upside. Okay, so for this one, the corrective structure went all the way down to our, I would say, point of interest, to our zone. This, by the way, order block, this is combination of market makers, wave analysis, and the structure as well. We're having liquidity under this though. Market took liquidity, and after that, after the sharp up wave, fast move to break the market structure. Market will retrace to the order block, or I would say the reaction zone. That's what we call it. After that, this up wave. So I gave you something now as a strategy, so you can actually look at it later. Okay, again, for this one, this was the trade. We've made a lot of money trading this one. What's next? After this up wave, corrective structure up is what we can see next. Okay, so for this one, I'm expecting market guys to give me a corrective structure, another push up. Alan, can you be wrong? Of course I can be wrong. That's why you have to know how to trade correctly before you risk your money. Do not over risk, do not over trade, do not jump in, never ever trade without stop loss. These 4 golden rules, you have to memorize them. You have to actually know them before you trade. Otherwise, you will keep gambling the next wave and you will keep losing again and again. If you love trading, trading is our passion. If you love trading and you want to succeed as a trader, you have to have a trading plan. You have to join a successful trading community, and you have to have the right coaches, the right mentors. All of this is inside WTW Pro. Okay, so for this one, up is the move, and this is what we will be doing. Gold for this one as well, we said to you guys, up is the move. We are expecting gold to push to the upside, and a lot of our members trade gold, and we said to them, guys, this is up. And this was the crazy setup to us. It's more than 10 to 1, guys, in one single trade till now. And that's why you will see some members are making a lot of money trading gold. Let me show you this one. VJ making a lot of money trading this one because he knows how to trade, he knows how to enter, and they have actually an account that can sustain this as well and make that much money from one single trade. Okay, so for this one, up is the move. It's crazy setup, I would say, to the point, to the pip, and we were saying to you guys, gold is toward the upside. Look at this one, look at this one. This pound dollar to the upside, the before, and as well gold. If you remember, if I go to this one here, I'll show you the gold trade. All right, so we're biased to the upside, and any corrective structure we said, you should go for it. And that's gold here. We've got a corrective structure here like this, and then all the way up. Very good one. It's like, it was crazy. Aussie dollar for this one, market went as well to the upside, and we said to you last week as well, I said, guys, corrective structure, another push up. Okay, so back to this one once more. I believe it's here. That's Aussie dollar, corrective structure, another push up. This is what I said to you. So back to this one, we've got a corrective structure, another push up. Crazy accuracy, right? So for this one, if you're in the buy, make sure to move your stops and let the market unfold. At the moment, guys, the structure is exactly in the middle. Either we'll continue for one more drop before the next up wave, or market will give us a corrective structure. All depends on how the next wave will behave. That's why you have to follow us on the Sunday session, the Wednesday update, to know what the market will be doing next. Because based on the structure, we'll update you. So T will give you guys the trades of the week, this Sunday, and the trades of the month. Do not miss these sessions. The Sunday session, I'm repeating, is for WTW Pro members. I'm repeating, based on the next structure here, we'll decide if this will be a corrective structure from push up or another drop. Till now and for now, my expectations and my forecast is a corrective structure, another push up before any next move. This is what I can see for Aussie dollar. Okay, New Zealand dollar for this one, exactly the same. Corrective structure is what I'm expecting next for another push up. The second story, the second alternative scenario is this, to go to the downside first before the next up wave. This is not a high chance till now. That's why it's not, it can go up or it can go down. I'll be looking only for the buy setups. Any sell setup I'll ignore. And if I get a corrective structure here, and a very, I would say, well-known corrective structure that we know, and a buy setup, I'll go for the buy. Is that clear, guys? If it's clear, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Dorian for this one, again, we said to you guys, corrective structure and then another drop. If you remember this one, leave a comment, guys, and let us know in the comment section, because this is important for us to know, and as well for, I would say, WTW members and all the followers to see and know like what we are forecasting and how the market is behaving. Dorian, I said to you last week, corrective structure, another drop, right? So back to the charts, corrective structure, another drop. That's exactly what the market is doing. So if you are in the sell, you have to make sure that you protect your capital and let the market unfold. What's next? Corrective structure, one more fall is what I can see next for this one before any next structure. Dollar Swiss for this one, I'm expecting this one to push to the upside, guys. I'm best to the upside with a high chance. This is 60% chance with 40% chance of this go to the downside to break this low. Okay, so what I'm expecting next is a reaction from this zone. If we get this drop once more here, I'm looking for the buy setups here, and this can take us all the way up to break this top, and this top. If this turns out to be a big corrective structure or an impulsive wave to the upside. In all the cases, the first reaction zone is here. Any buy setup inside this zone, we will go for it. Okay. More details regarding the levels, regarding the targets will be shared tomorrow by T during the Sunday session. DORCAT for this one, again, I'm expecting this to give me a corrective structure, one more drop before the next up wave. Okay, so DORCAT, keep an eye on this one, guys. One more fall for the dollar before the next structure. US oil market actually will give us a, I would say, complex structure, drop, another push up before the next drop, and then after that, we'll update you. This will be a complex structure before one more fall, and then after that, another up wave will be coming. Bitcoin, I said to you last week, market is ready for a drop. So the structure is complete. I would say this structure from here is complete to me. Any corrective structure, we can get another fall if this will be correcting. Okay, so corrective structure, another fall is what we're expecting next. Regardless of what they are saying on the media, we follow the waves, we follow the structures, and we understand and we analyze the mass psychology of all market participants. I'm always repeating that because that's what it is, guys. And that's how the market moves. We are reading the charts like we are reading a book. Again, we can teach you that from A to Z. If you want to jump to the next level, you know what to do. So for this one, corrective structure, another drop is what I can see next for Bitcoin. Unless something else happens, then if we get something like that, the upside, this means like this is a liquidity grab and the market will continue to the upside, and this will be super bullish if this happens. Okay, so if we get a sharp move to the upside like that, this will be again a super bullish structure, which means corrective structure, another push up. For now, I don't see this at the moment. Okay, so what I see is a drop, corrective structure, another fall before the next structure. All right. Yeah, 30 as well. So for this one, this is actually a buy till now. So corrective structure, one will push up before the next move. Like I said to you last week, if this will give us an up wave and the corrective structure, this is a bullish structure. So anytime you are expecting market to fall, let's say here, to give you a corrective structure before the next down wave, if you get here a sharp move to the upside and the corrective structure, remember this one, take a screenshot. This is a pattern. This is a setup that we teach to our members. If you get this one, this is usually a buy. So for this is most probably with a 80% chance, this is a buy. Okay, short term. After this up wave, we'll update you. This can keep crawling to the upside, guys, slowly before the next drop. So when the recession will hit, if we get the recession based on, again, what I explained before, one more fall will be coming here before the next up wave. So we're expecting a drop, but this drop will be coming after this, I would say, keeps crawling to the upside slowly before the drop. Okay. SPX exactly the same. Again, this is some sort of curving pattern. I want to show you this one so our members, you know what I'm talking about. This is some sort of curving pattern. This will be falling. We will get a drop similar to this one minimum soon, and probably higher than that or bigger than that or deeper than that, but this can keep crawling to the upside like that before the next fall. Okay, so expect this one to drop. I might be wrong. This is what I can see based on the structures, based on the analysis, based on the KPIs, and based on the economic indicators. This is what we're analyzing, guys. Okay, so just we are alarming you because I don't want you later on, once this will be falling, you will say, oh, WTW said that and then I missed the move. Okay, so we always predict the wave. All what they say to you in the media and in the actually on the TV, on whatever, all they say to you is why the market have done that. So why the market went to the upside. This guy's hindsight. What we do is we forecast the future. We predict the future with high chance. You want to do the same thing? You join WTW Pro, guys, and I see you inside. Thank you very much, and I see all of you guys next Saturday.